Weird. Here, let's fix this. It's me. There you go, buddy. You okay? Hey guys. It's going. How's it going for you, y'all? It's going. Oh, hey, friend. I read that so wrong. No. I couldn't take it anymore. It's fine. Hello. That's shut down. No, I had to get off. I couldn't take it anymore. I was gonna lose my shit. You know? Hello. I had to get some calm. I know, I did. Yeah, I ended it. What's standing behind me? Yeah, pay, T, whatever. Is that supposed to be funny? I didn't see what TT said, but you responded to him, so you're out too. You are out. No, I had to hang up. I couldn't take it. I needed like a breath of fresh air real quick. So I was losing it. Ma'am, you don't have to be here. What heat? No, it still won't. It still won't. What fucking time is it, bro? Ridiculous. Hold on. Yeah, it's like a dirt bike or something. They're riding around. What the hell is that? What the fuck is that? Is that a fire alarm? This fucking place, I swear to God. I don't care, I'm going back in my room. I heard that all the way in here, man. Damn, that was loud as shit. Damn, I can still hear it. Yeah, it's a fire alarm. Yeah, my doors are always locked. I lock them as soon as I get inside. It's not me, it's them across the hall. Mm-mm. Is there a tire? It's the Stacy Jones. What is it? 145? Yeah, 145. Why did it just do that? No, I didn't yet. Why is it still going off? It's making me nervous now. It's still going. It's still going. It's getting louder. I have to grab the dogs and the cats and run out the damn house. No, I did check. Nothing was on fire yet. They had the door open, so I don't know what the fuck they were doing, but yeah, I'm on the first floor. I mean, I'm on the second floor, but I'm on the first floor, like, yeah. Oh no, there was no explosion. Yeah, it's probably they burnt dinner. That's what it kind of looked like, but I don't know why it's still going and why it's getting louder though. I don't smell smoke now. I just heard the thing. I just never heard nothing like that going off before. I never heard that. Never fucking heard that, man. Fucking fire department's always at my house, so show up over there. I walked out one day, they were in my living room. I'm like, hello. I don't even know how the fuck they got in. Maybe Abby was here and let them in, I don't remember. I don't remember. No, it still won't work. I don't have a ceiling fan. Lights always flicker. I don't have a carrier. No? What 20? Right now? Yeah, I'm getting up to see what the fuck now because this is getting retarded. Oh, fire department, hello.
Good.
Good, good. Okay, maybe there's a fire. No shit, Shani, stay close. Stay with mommy. I knew they was coming, bro. Oh, fucking shit, dude. It's always something up here, bro. Come here, baby. Come here. No, no, no. Just the fire department. Just the fire department. No, he said, how are you doing? I couldn't be that lucky if that happened. And I want nothing in here anyways. Run like hell, right? I would come back for the dog and the cats. And then I would run like hell. Oh my god. I gotta start blocking people now. Grow up, seriously, please. Yeah, they're fine. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah, I don't know why the fire department is here. I just seen them all in the hallway and was like, oh, bye. Ma'am. Make me say something I don't want to say. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I got a word for you, bitch. It's fine. I think he would have said something and it would have been fire. I think he would have said something. It's actually not hot right now. Yeah, he would have said something, I think. I don't think he would have, like, just been like, hey, how you doing, you know? Yeah, he was just like, how you doing? I'm like, good. So, yeah, it's all good. I'm not worried. They might have had to shut it off. I mean, I don't know why it's going so long. Damn. Damn. These clowns. I gotta reset.